Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today, and I'm launching my product shares for the Spring Summer mini catalogue. If you are an existing customer of mine, you should, if you haven't already, be receiving your catalogues very soon, and you will also get a flyer, this is a double, with my share information on it, including my first ever mini launch party, which will be on the 25th of January on Facebook. So let me tell you what's included in what. I'm going to start with the paper share and go on from there. So the paper share includes paper from all of the suites, and it will be cut at 6 by 12. I did double sheets cut at 6 by 6 last time, and I was asked if I would do single sheets of 6 by 12 instead, because then you can get more cards out of it, and that's fair enough. It still goes through as a large letter, so that's absolutely fine. The Best Dressed, I have used quite a lot of this because I was using it for some of the bits and pieces that I included with my catalogues for my existing customers. I love this paper. I'm not a great fan of the suite, although I do actually kind of like quite a lot of it, but it's an odd one for me. But what I love is that the papers are floral on one side, well, in this case on both, and on the other side they've got the makeup, and it's the makeup that I have a bit of an issue with. I like the perfume bottles, but I don't like the makeup. I'm not a great fan of the shoes. So, as I say, it's a bit of an odd one for me, but the paper works really well because they've got florals as well as the icons. I love the perfume bottles. Gotta say, I do love the perfume bottles. But yeah, so that is the paper, and the fact that it's floral or a plain, solid, a plain solid on one side at least means for me this is an absolute winner. So you get in this 12 pieces because you get one of each of the designs, and there are 12 designs in each pack. So you get one of each of 12. So that's the Best Dressed. This is the Country Club paper. And this, again, I thought wasn't going to be something that I was going to like because of the iconography. But, okay, golf carts, not... I don't play golf. I don't know anyone who plays golf. So for me, meh. But plaid. Plaid is useful all the time. So if you've got people who like golf, great. But if you haven't, you've got plaids and argyle and those sorts of things. So really useful yet again. Now, these sheets you can colour in, and I have worked out that if I cut the paper so that the 6 by 12 is this way, let me show you. In fact, no, let me get a 6-inch ruler and my T-bar ruler. So this is my T-bar. If I cut the paper like that, you get the 6 images on one piece. So, and I think you even get the same, yes, everyone gets 2 of the lady playing golf, 2 of the man playing golf, and 2 of the trees and water. So you will get useful pieces that you can then use as card toppers. So that's the Country Club paper, and as I say, you'll get 6 sheets cut at 6 by 12. Tropical Oasis, I have used this paper on some thank you gifts already. So we've got palm trees, I love these, birds of paradise, that's what they are, flowers, pineapples, really bright fruit, more of the same, flamingos and palm fronds. This will go really well with the tropical chic set as well. And more again, and this is just a sort of a solid in my brain. Lilies, or yes, lilies. This is a sort of fabric tweedy, not tweedy, burlap sort of look. You've got these lovely cars with surfboards, another solid, and these gorgeous hibiscus, which go beautifully with the hibiscus in the stamp set. So that's the Tropical Oasis, and again, 6 sheets cut at 6 by 12. Birthday Bonanza is one of my favourites in the whole catalogue. It's bright, it's jolly, it's great for all ages. Some of it, yes, you could say is only for younger people, but I think, you know, you just have to be a child at heart. I just love it. And it doesn't have to be birthday because we've got solids again. I love these koalas. They are so cute. And I should say koalas bring to mind what's going on in Australia at the moment. My thoughts and prayers are with you. I can't imagine how many thousands and thousands of acres are on fire, and the temperatures, oh, I can't even get my head around it. Anywho, again, 6 sheets cut at 6 by 12. Right, Peaceful Poppies. Another lovely designer series paper. So again, we've got solids, great for men. This sheet, let me bring out, this is going to be great for cards because you can cut it so that you've got the border on your cards, on your card blanks, or great for scrapbooking. You can cut this piece and have it as one solid and then use this on the opposite page. So if you're into 2-page scrapbooking, I will try and cut it so that it's this way, because I think that will be a more useful direction, says she. I'm going to have to take these out and put them in the direction that I need them, because otherwise I won't remember. So let's just reorder those, because, as I say, otherwise I won't remember which way to cut it, but I think it's probably going to be more use for people cut as borders rather than as 2 bits upside down. Of course, I'm not now going to be able to get these back in. Oh well, let's carry on regardless, as they say. There we go, that's in. Right, so stripe, lovely solid. Again, another brilliant background. Enormous, great big poppies, really bright, just amazing. I'm loving this. This was everywhere when we were on stage in Dortmund. The poppies were, yeah, pretty much everywhere. Let me just check that we haven't, no, that is a solid, or it's not one direction. It's not like this, is what I mean. So there's that, and then this side. So again, 6 by 12, 6 sheets of paper. Let me just get that back in. Parisian Blossoms. This is a specialty paper, which means it is foiled, and it is gorgeous. So Blossoms, script, and it does actually read, it's in French. It's in champagne foil, little icons again, great for all travel, doesn't have to be to Paris. Again, what I would call a solid. Look at this, isn't that just amazing? Beautiful, beautiful. Again, what I would call a solid with beautiful floral. Fleur de lis, or as we were taught when we were in Dortmund, one of the girls that did a demonstrator in the most amazingly brilliant English was French, and this is fleur de lis with an S, otherwise it's the flower of bed, if you just say lis. So fleur de lis and keys, and another solid, and the Eiffel Tower, or La Tour Eiffel. I can't really speak French, but there we go. And then we have our Valentine's paper, which is called From My Heart, and is, again, a specialty paper because it's got, now, I want to say that's Real Red and Blushing Bride. Let's have a look. No, it's Flirty Flamingo and Real Red. So Flirty Flamingo and Real Red foiling. Solid hearts, lovely arrows. Oh, I love this. Love it. Look at this. This is just amazing. Why would you want to? I mean, this side's nice, but why would you not want to use this side? Stripes, so these ones aren't foiled. More foiling and little arrows, and then stripe and arrows. So again, beautiful paper. So all of those, you get 12 sheets of the 6x6, the best dressed, 6 sheets of each of the others. If you were to buy them full packs, you would be paying, in addition to £4.95 postage and packing, £79.75. The quarter share will cost you just £22, including postage. It's 48 sheets of paper, and yeah, cut 6 to 12. Ribbon share, we have got Real Red double stitched, and it's the same on both sides. It's beautiful. So Real Red double stitched, Petal Pink metallic, which is like our normal metallic edged but narrower, and this is edged in champagne, so that goes with the Parisian suite. Whisper White crinkle edged, crinkle seam binding, and again it's narrower, and you can stamp on this, which is just beautiful. Daffodil Delight ruched, and again we've had ruched before, but this is narrower. This goes with the Birthday Bonanza. Mint Macaron sheer linen, although it's polyester, but it's that look. And then the country, what do we call it? Country Club twines, which are in, I want to say, Poppy Parade, Black, Night of Navy and Garden Green, I think. Does it say? Oh no, it does. Poppy Parade, Night of Navy, Garden Green and Basic Black. Now these ones you get 1 1/4 yards of each of the colours. So you'll get 1 1/4 yards of each of these. Everything else you get 2.5 yards, and I do mean yards because they are 10 yards on a reel. So that's 13 3/4 yards. It will cost you £13.20, including postage and packing, as opposed to, if you've got full packs of them all, £48.75 plus £4.95 postage and packing. Now you can get a combined share, which will save you the postage on the ribbon, which means for just, let me check that I've got this right, yes, for just £34.20, you'll have a bit of all of the papers and all of the ribbon are from the new Spring Summer Mini. But if you wanted to do the launch party as well, I will be designing a project for each of the designer series papers. So you will get everything you need apart from the stamped images, because I can't sell stamped images, just loose, but you'll get all die cuts. You will get the card blanks, the mats, everything that you need to make the 6 projects. You'll also get to join in the launch party on my Facebook, on a Facebook group, which I'll set up specifically for the party. It's on the 25th of January, which is a Saturday. I'll be coming on live during the day, throughout the day. There'll be scavenger hunts, there'll be prize patrols, lots and lots of stuff. Prizes from both the mini and the celebration catalogues, and you'll get that for £40, which is the combined share plus the extra bits and pieces that you need in order to make up the project. I will be using stamp sets from the Spring, Summer and celebration catalogues, but I'll also be showing you examples using other stamp sets that are in the annual catalogue. I will be placing the order for all of the shares and the mini launch party on the 3rd of January so that I can get everything to me cut and sent out so that it's in time for the launch party. You can get all the details over on my website, and I've got a link for that below, and that will take you straight to the post for this, but you can also find it under the current offers. And I need payment, and it's by PayPal, which you don't have to have a PayPal account. You can just pay by credit card. As I say, UK only. And I need payment to be with me no later than the 2nd of January. Well, ideally the 31st of December, but absolutely no later than the 2nd of January, so I can order on the 3rd, having done the maths of how many packs of everything I need. So there you go. Woo! I'm exhausted. So thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope that all makes sense. There's all the details will be on my blog, and as I say, I've linked that below, so go and have a look at that and get those orders in as quickly as you possibly can so that we can have fun at my mini launch party. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to crafting with you very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.